Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can merge PDF files into one. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, you need to go to this website, ilovepdf.com/pdf slash merge PDF. I will leave the link in the description and it's completely free. So after that, you can click on select PDF file to upload it from your desktop or from a folder, or you can drop it here, drag and drop it here. You can also share it from your Google Drive or from Dropbox. For me, I will just click on select PDF files and I will choose this two, these two PDFs. Okay, then click on open. Then click on merge PDF. Now, as you can see, you can click on download here to download the PDF files. You can share it on Google Drive, you can share it on Dropbox, and you can share it as a link. And for me, I will click on start download here. Then click on open and your PDFs will be here. As you can see, this is the first one. And this is the second one, as you can see. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.